Dude, were you out at your place last night?
No.
I just got done watching that grinder.
How sick is it?
Sheer carnage, man.
Okay, well, I'm coming out at lunch today.
800 horsepower engine cranking at like 2100 RPMs.
Are you serious?
It's just pooping stuff out like crazy.
So you get some stuff on film?
Yeah, I did like a time lapse and I filmed a little bit. We're ripping out stumps and grinding them up today on Nate and his TV. So we got a self-loader coming in to pick up the logs. See how things are going out here. We just got done falling all the trees and digging up a bunch of stumps and piling it all up. So now everything needs to get ground up in this big tub grinder, and then we're going to be starting in on building the house. So that goes on the excavator, and that drum spins and sifts out all the dirt. Yeah, running a tub grinder like that is a merciless job. I would not want to run something like that. There's just so much stuff breaks on that. You really got to know what you're doing to run something like that. How's it going, Rocky?
It's going.
Self-loader showed up, so he's gonna come in and pick up that load, it sounds like. packing up brush and getting ready for the grinder today. So I'll come back in tomorrow and check in and see how he's doing. Today is $5 donut day, Tuesday, favorite day. So I got a whole bunch of donuts for everybody to eat, and it doesn't look like there's anybody here. So I might have to eat them all myself. Well, it looks like they tried grinding a little bit of something last night. Looking like maybe it broke down or something. That's why they're not here. Holy smokes. Oh, that might be it right there. I don't think that rebar is supposed to be all coiled up there. That might be why they have the cutting torches here, and I think they're trying to get that rebar cut out. Maybe they had to go get more oxygen and acetylene or something. Looks like he's got that pile all worked up there. He's ready to start grinding it. Man, that is a beefy motor. Then you got the shaft coming through here that spins this. So when that tub comes down like that and they start loading it up, it just sits there and just chews everything up and spits it out that conveyor belt out the back there. Check out that little deer. You guys probably replace those pretty often, huh? Yeah.
Pretty abrasive.
Looks like they got stuff embedded in them, huh?
Yeah. Well.
Okay, so this is a 3412 Cat, and you said it's got about 800 horse?
Yeah.
Yeah, just for like scale. Look at that, it's insane. Looks like a dinosaur out there eating trees. It's awesome, I'm gonna go check that thing out. Well, it's this guy's birthday, so we are here at the coffee stand, getting him a little bit of chocolate milk. What do you say, bud? You want to go see if they're grinding stumps today?
Yeah, and I'm making strong I can get it and activate them.
That's right.
Good.
You're gonna drip. So if you're new to this channel, I just want to say thanks for stopping in and checking out this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this one here. Me overheating my tractor. That's next week's video. Hold up, check out this smoke rolling out of that thing. And if you are a subscriber, dude, thank you so much for subscribing, giving a thumbs up, and commenting. It's super fun to get your guys' comments. If you're an Instagram or a Facebook person, I threw some links below so you guys can follow me on those. To Joe Witt and the boys, dude, we really appreciate your guys' friendship. It's an honor to be friends with you guys. I know my family loves you guys, and we're just grateful that we got to be a part of breaking ground. All right, to my loyal fans who've made it all the way through the video to this part here, you guys are the reason this channel is continuing on. So let me know that you made it all the way through by commenting below. Grind 'em up, Rocky. See you next time on Nateness TV. It's just my life.